Hello everyone, and this is Dr. Lu. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use Dreamweaver to design the appearance of your web page. After opening Dreamweaver program, you will see something like this, and you should click Create New HTML file. And there are different environments in which you can work. You can use HTML codes by clicking Codes View, or you can click Design to access what you see is what you get environment. So we'll use the Design view. In last week's lectures, we talked about the design of the page appearance, and we learned that there are generally 4 areas on a web page: the header, the footer, the navigation area, and the main content area. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use AppDiv to slice the page into different sections. What you need to do is click Insert, and then Layout Objects, and then AppDiv, and you'll see this. So you can drag it, and you can change the size of this division. Let's see, this is our header area, and then we can do the same thing. Insert, Layout Objects, AppDiv. Insert another one for the navigation area, and then same thing for the footer. Let me change the size of this, and grab the handle and move it downward. Okay, this is a footer, and then the bulk of the page would be the main content area. So let me do that again. Insert, Layout Objects, AppDiv, and move this, change the size. So currently we have 4 areas on the page: header area, the navigation area, the footer area, and the content area. And then within each area you can insert text, images, links, videos, whatever content. So basically these 4 boxes help anchor different content in the appropriate positions. Currently you don't see anything. To visually enable these 4 different areas, you can use perhaps different backgrounds. Now let's use different background colors so that the different areas on the page will show up eventually as different areas. What you need to do is to click on the edge of the box, and then to the right hand you'll see CSS styles, which means cascading style, sheets styles. If you don't see that, what you need to do is to click Window and select CSS styles if the CSS styles panel doesn't show in your window. So with that, and you'll see different attributes here for that box. Double click within that, so choose current, and double click within that box, and you'll see a dialog box. And obviously in this dialog box you can determine the type, color, size, font type, whatever. A background, block, box, the border of that box, positioning of that box, and so on. So let's use the background. Let's see. Let's use a blue color scheme to understand color scheme and choose different colors within the same color scheme so that they're harmonious with each other. And you can visit the website colorschemedesigner.com. So let's choose a blue color. Let's see that we'll use this this color, number 09F, for the header, and we'll choose the same color background, choose the same color for the navigation area, and then do the same thing. Click CSS styles, choose current, double click within the box, and choose background color, and pick the same color. So basically I'm trying to maintain the same color for the header, footer, and the navigation area, and then I choose a different color for the content area. So let's do the same thing again, and click background, let's choose a different color for the content area. So currently, as you can see, that some of the boxes don't border each other very well. For instance, there's a little bit of space here, so you may want to carefully move that a little bit so that there is no space between the different areas. A more accurate way of doing this is to click a box and then go to the CSS styles box, dialog box, double click within that box, and click positioning, and you can choose the top, right, bottom, left positioning. So top, you can change it to different values, 70, 71, and try different values until the different areas border each other harmoniously without any space between them. So that's the way to accurately position your AppDiv boxes. Now if you save, suppose you have done the fine-tuning, whatever, you're satisfied, and you can save this page by clicking File and Save. Let me choose to save it on my desktop, and there is a folder called My First Site. Okay, I'll name this as Page Design. Remember, there should not be any spaces or symbols in the name of an HTML file or a web page file. So no space, just strictly alphanumeric name. Click Save. Okay, it is saved. Now what you can do is to preview the page by clicking this little globe icon here. Preview, debug in browser. So choose a browser, Internet Explorer or Chrome, whatever browser you want to use. Click that. As you can see, it's very basic, and obviously they need some fine-tuning so that the different boxes touch each other without giving any white space between them. But at least, as you can see, the page is sliced into different areas with different background colors. So this is how to slice up your page into different areas using AppDiv function. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.